So in this video I'm going to explain you what type of parameters you should use for different type of preparation. As you can see, here we have two type of preparation. This is an incisals and it's pretty long and pointy. And this is a bicuspid preparation, which is flat on the occlusional side. So for sure we should use two different type of parameters. So let's start with the first one. Here I would suggest you to add another zone, alright? And by clicking here, I can paint the area where I wanna to add additional space. So I would just paint this area and I will have more space. As you can see here, I have more space right now at 0.01, at 0.04 plus at 0.01. So it's gonna be a total of 0.05. Then additional spacing, we don't want this. We can keep at 0. It's not really we don't want that. Horizontal 0.2 it's fine, angle 0.2 it's fine, angle 45 it's fine, because we want to avoid chipping during our milling process, because this is gonna be zirconia. And undercut 0.1 it's fine, 1.05 it's fine, because our crown is gonna be finished with the 1 millimeter burr. So this is okay, and we can click OK. For the other example, in this preparation, as long as we have a flat occlusional side, we want a 0.04 has a thickness gap. Maybe you can add some additional spacing right here at 0.01, right, and at 0.01, so a total of 0.05. So anyway, you know, this is just an example of two different preparation, but you should analyze any type of shape that you have of your preparation, and based on that you should evaluate what type of parameter it should be. But anyway, you know, there is not so big difference. Just keep in mind that if you have a pointy preparation, you should have more space on the top so the burn can go in and grind, and you know, and that's it. If you have a preparation like this, you want to just a general parameters. So 0.04, 0.04, 0.04, 0.01, 0.01, border 0.2, 0.2, 45, because again we want to avoid chipping during the milling process, because this is going to be zirconia. And undercut 0.0, 0.1, 1.05, and click OK. And this is pretty much everything. Just keep in mind that in this tip module you will find a folder where I specify every type of materials, and inside it there is any type of restoration that we will talk about, you know, and you have screenshot of what type of parameter you should use for different type of restoration. Just take a look.